Yeah, to draw all these things, these three views in AutoCAD, what approach would you take? Would you just draw the top view somewhere, draw the side view somewhere, and then project back to make the front view?
No, for sure not.
I would say, yeah.
The top one, so I
project lines and then leave the top.
Yeah, I'd probably start with this top view, because it's the most detailed one, right? It's the one where you can see the most stuff, and then from here, I would kind of project down, start working on this view, make my miter line, project over, and then kind of work through making the other two views. That's how I would do it. That way, it would make sure that this one is the same width as that one. I didn't miscount, right? Because if you just draw this one and then you draw this one, you might make it wider, shorter. Things might not be lined up right, because if you're just counting lines, you're not guaranteed it's going to be perfect. So I would draw this one, and then draw my line somewhere, project down, start working on this view because we can get the height here, and then project from there over and get it all figured out. That's what I would do. Okay? Any questions?